Hi, our friends, this is Emma, and today I'll show you step by step how to draw a cute watermelon ice cream bowl. Let's get started. To draw the watermelon ice cream bowl, we'll first start by drawing the watermelon. So we'll draw a circle, a half circle, right here in the center of the page. It's a bowl shape. So imagine the watermelon is cut in half, and at the top, I am going to connect with a curved line. Within the bowl, I'm gonna draw a few ice cream scoops. So first I'll draw one in the center. I'll start by drawing a circle. I'll add one scoop to the right and another scoop on the left. And I'm going to draw a second layer. So here, right between the first two scoops on the right, I'm going to draw another scoop and one more over here. Next, I'm going to add a strawberry. So over here in between the top two scoops, I am going to draw a curved line that goes up and comes back down. So it's like the strawberry is sitting in between the top two scoops. And I am going to add some leaves at the top. Now I am going to draw a spoon over here, so it's sticking out. One angled line that comes out from here. Another angled line that follows the same angle, and then on the top, I am going to draw an oval. So that's like the spoon is popping out from behind the ice creams. Next, we're going to add some details to the ice cream scoops. So I'm going to draw some lines as if the ice cream scoops has frostings on top. So we'll draw curved lines that goes down and up, down and up. We'll do that for each of the ice cream scoops. And finally, we are going to add some stripes to the watermelon. So I'm gonna start right around the middle, slightly towards the left. I am going to draw some wiggly lines that goes like this. And then on the other side, slightly towards the right, I am going to draw another wiggly line that follows the same pattern, but then it gets slightly narrower towards the bottom. And we are going to add a few more stripes here. So for this one, I'll start the wiggly line right around here, but then it kind of curves out towards the center. And connect towards the center. And I am just going to add one more wiggly line here, but not all the way towards the center. There we have it. Next, we are going to color it. So we're going to start with the watermelon itself, and so in between the wiggly lines, I am going to use a lighter shade of green. And then for the stripes, I am going to use a darker green. going to add some cute faces to the ice creams. So I'll use my black marker to add 2 circles as eyes and a sweet smile. We're going to do that for every ice cream scoop. And don't forget the watermelon. And let's add some sprinkles on the frostings. Finally, let's add some texture to the spoon. So I'm going to draw a finer line here. So this line follows the same angle as the outside. And that is our watermelon ice cream bowl. It's perfect for the summer. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today, and if you did, please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss the weekly uploads. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time.